This guide provides a clear pathway to navigating the List tab and utilizing its inspection operations efficiently. Follow these steps to get started. The List tab is your go-to tool for managing inspections seamlessly. It enables you to access, submit, review, or download inspection reports based on your assigned role. Log into the software and locate the inspection section. Click on it to access the platform's dedicated space for inspection-related tasks. Within the inspection section, find and click the List tab. This will take you to a structured view of all the inspections, helping you manage them effectively. Now, locate the Select Operation drop-down button. Click on it to open the list of available actions. Based on your role and current needs, you can access an inspection, submit an inspection for approval, review an inspection, download an inspection report. Simply select the operation that aligns with your task to proceed. Thanks for watching.